Hey, welcome back. Karen here with Vegan Gluten-Free Life. Today's recipe video is a tofu scramble. Think outside the box. This isn't just for breakfast. Have it for dinner. Quick, easy, versatile, perfect. To begin, let's organize our 12 easy ingredients. To replace the egg, we'll use two 14-ounce containers of extra firm tofu, non-GMO, some vegan butter, a half a cup of diced onions, a quarter teaspoon each of turmeric and garlic powder, a half a teaspoon black Himalayan salt, and 1 tablespoon gluten-free soy sauce, and 1.5 cups baby spinach and a quarter cup of green onions. Salt and pepper to taste. To make this an exceptional scramble, you must press out any excess liquid. Otherwise, this tofu will never brown. If you want to achieve that authentic egg-like flavor, you need Himalayan black salt and soy sauce. Place your dry ingredients into a bowl and whisk them together. Using a large fry pan over medium-high heat, brown your onions and then set them aside. Now we'll move on to the tofu. Crumble it up, not too small. Incorporate the dry and wet ingredients into your tofu. Brown really well. It'll take about 10 to 15 minutes. Add back in the cooked onions, now the baby spinach. Cook it until it's just wilted. Now on to my favorite part is the taste testing. If it's missing a little of that sulfur egg flavor, sprinkle on some Himalayan black salt. Even though it sounds a little gross, it actually is very flavorful. You can hearty up this recipe with green onions, hot sauce, red pepper flakes, nutritional yeast, crazy endless options. Enjoy this tofu scramble any time of day. Don't just have it for breakfast, have it for dinner, have it as a snack. I know you want this recipe, so visit veganglutenfreelife.com for the full recipe and so much more. And watch my YouTube channels for more fun, easy to follow recipe videos. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, wherever you can. And as always, have fun in the kitchen and let me know how you made it your own. Thanks so much for watching. Can't wait to see you soon. Bye!